Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. Hope you're all doing very well. Hope you had a nice weekend, and we can start with this technical analysis with ExoChart, that is finally fixed. That's pretty cool. Now it is working, so we're going to be able to trade again. So yeah, we're going to cover everything here. So let's start first of all with the weekly levels here. See if we have a new one. No, we don't. So let's go on a daily time frame. We have two new daily, by the way. One here. Let me take something like that. This one, and if I can catch it, bam, this one here. By the way, is the sound working well? Let me check that 2 seconds. Yes, good. So daily here, we are good. So let's come back here on the 15 minutes. This can be removed now. We've already got a bounce of this. We got a bounce from here too, so this daily will be removed. This will be placed like that. Good. Alright, so this also can be removed right there, and we are good with this. So let me see here. We cleaning up off control. Okay, we have one, so it is at 36,475.5. So took okay. Well, it looks like this is the same, to be honest. Oh, almost 30. Wait. Not so much, but anyway. 36,863. That's really high. Okay, 37,010. Oh, I don't like that. There are too much levels here, to be honest. Oops. I said what? 37,010. Okay, and we have 36,558. TPO 36,558. Okay. All right then. Small bullish divergence on every lows, giving the bounce right now. Okay. This, what we've got here, another bullish divergence here. You can see low, high, low on the right. Bring us with this rise. I've not checked the chart for the whole weekend, to be fair. What we are having here, no trap longs. We have some few shorts. So we do have a lot of shorts here right now. But again, went into our first resistance above, so maybe, I don't know, I didn't check the lower time frame reaction. By the way, I'm gonna check the 15 minutes here too, right there. No trap longs, no divergence here. Yeah, very small one. Longs. Ah, yeah, we do have some few longs here, by the way. 2 seconds, my cat want to join the live stream. Alright, sorry on this. So here, Alright, so right now we do have a low, high, low, high, low, and we keep doing some low, 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 low on this CVD. So just be aware of these possible bullish divergence. But this right here will be cancelled if we start breaking these lows. Okay, if we start breaking the lows right here, then we'll have a low and a low, and also on the CVD. So there is no any bullish divergence anymore. Now we need the longs, and the longs should not be absorbed here to reverse that. Let me change the text here real quick. Alright, perfect. Okay. Well, yeah, we got some few bullish, bearish action here on the top, but we'll see. Was it on the chart personally? When was this? Oops. Yeah, when I slept really early yesterday, so I was clearly sleeping here. It was at midnight, so I was sleeping personally on this. And then again, all this next is yeah, 4 AM, 3 extra, so not trading this. Anyway, let's lock this right there. So yeah, if we keep the bullish divergence here, this is pretty cool. We need also to reclaim that view up to expect higher prices here. If we start reclaiming this, to be fair, do we have the 5 ways down here? No. So yeah, we'll have more likely in that case a correction to go higher if we really manage to reclaim that view up and keep this bullish divergence. Okay, and if we don't, just for example take the lows, reclaim directly here. So let me see also with the volume here. I want to update this volume right there. So this volume right here. Okay, yeah, so it was like this. Gonna keep both, to be fair. Gonna also place that one here. Yeah, I have not added that one first because, you know, we've got the it was a daily naked power control and a naked session power control. I just deleted where we got a bounce here. That's why I haven't added the confluence, but I'm gonna add this one. Now I'm gonna look for a swing through pan, to be honest. Perfect. POC, Valirello here. Good morning, mate. And yeah, so now the thing is we also have the Valirello below here. So yeah, this is really a big target to be aware of. Alright, so nothing changed at the moment, so much to be fair. We just have some few new levels here. Those above here, I don't care. I really don't care personally. I'm not going to trade in this. This is way too high for me to open a long. So you can keep this on your chart if you're a scalper, for example, and you want to open, so I mean, you want to scalp these levels. Maybe we can get a good reaction of this, it's possible. But personally, I'm gonna wait for lower level here to come minimum to really look for something. So these right here can give of course something here, okay? But personally, I'm not going to keep these levels because I don't want to open a trade that high. To be fair, I'm not going to try to long in here. I want low to long and I want high to short. That's it really, okay? I'm not going to try the current price action. For me, this Paris missed. This was at night, and that's it. Now I want to see the price moving up to short. I want to see the price moving down to long. That's it really. Okay, so if you have to go down from here, if I want to long to speak, I'm going to look first of all for this daily level really with the TP and the weekly negative path control. If we start breaking this with nothing good for a long on the order flow, so here, okay, if we get nothing good on here, in here, I'm just going to look for the next target. So daily level, this one I'm going to be a bit careful because there is not a big, really massive confluence here. Let me confirm that really quick. That's okay to be fair. That's okay. Yeah, so it will be daily down to this value low, okay, to be honest. Yeah, daily down to the value low. If there is nothing in here, then we can look for the swing Philip pan. Okay, it's like it's a bit like of just one. It's a bit of a, like just one zone here. Okay, one zone with all of these levels, but I don't like this swing Philip pan because this is a bit too low. I would prefer, you know, to get this as a zone, value low daily. So this also before as a zone. Path control value high really. Okay, to be fair. All of this, then second target, and then we have this third target coming in. And if we start breaking this low right here with no swing third pan, to be fair, it's really low here for a swing third pan, but we had the high time frame value are high to be aware of. If we start breaking that low here, well, yeah, then we have this right there. Okay, so this first support, then we have the POC with the swing third pan, but I would prefer to go below here and finally take out these lows, to be honest, if we have to go that down, of course. And this right here will be the next target. So bam, let me just gonna do it like this, gonna be easier. Perfect. So yeah, first target really daily down to the weekly negative path control, so 36,600 really down to 36,500. Break this, look for the daily down to this value low. Okay, the fixed range from the top right here to the bottom, so to speak. 200 really down to 36,000. By the way, if we start breaking this, just be aware of the swing Philip pan here. Okay, be aware of this one. But yeah, I will prefer to go a bit more down, to be honest, because we are losing all the support here. So I will prefer to go into this swing Philip pan here for the naked session path control down to the daily naked path control with another here value high, by the way. So to speak, 35,430 down to 45,213. And if we start breaking this, look for the path control of the range really. Okay, break this, look for the value low down to the second value low, by the way. So around this daily negative path control at 33,600, and so the value low, the first one here, the top of this first of this last support here, is 34,000. And if we start breaking this, of course, watch out for a possible swing third pan, you know, of all these lows right here. So this is something important. Swing third pan here, swing third pan here, swing third pan here. Don't forget also this MC strategy right here below, something important too. And if we start breaking this pullback right here, so to speak, you know, when we've got this very quick push up, the first one here really, okay, we've got a very quick push up here, really big one to take the price high. We just come back down here. In this pullback, if we start breaking the bottom here of the pullback, we're simply going to look for 30,700. Okay, break the bottom right here of the pullback, so to speak, this, look for 30,700 right here, by the way. Hope that makes sense. So now we are aware of all the support within the range, okay, every single one where we're going to get a possible reaction. Again, it's like, you know, we have plenty, you know, some, for example, here, a possible swing third pan of that low that we've got, by the way. A swing third pan with some few support below. We then planet this right here, this bottom right here, with a weekly negative path control where we got a bounce, okay? So you see, we have a quick move down in here in this first target. You have a quick move down, you just do a quick move inside here, just go completely through. Are you going to look in here? No. So if we do exactly the same here, 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 then there's just no reason to take a long, right? And so we just look for the next target. And here, for example, then we start doing something bullish, and we take a long, and we write this up. So yes, we maybe have some, many supports, but it's fine, you know. We just by reading the order flow, we are able to recognize if we have or not to take a trade. Sometimes we do have to take a trade. We take a loss because that's it, really. Okay, it's like that. We cannot get 100% of the trade good, and that's why we use a risk management. It's extremely important. So to the upside, no real big resistance, to be honest with you now anymore. Yeah, we've got a rejection from our first resistance. So now if we manage to push higher, well, swing for pound fair auction as always. Okay, it's always the same. If we start breaking this top here, we can simply for the daily up to the double top right here for a swing for the pound or a fair auction. So to speak, swing for the pound, take the high, retrace. You have a week like this. Okay, and if we do a fair auction, we just take the double top here, and we just spend some time, start to form something very bearish on the top on the order flow, and come back down. Okay, so to speak, if there is no swing for pan or fair auction, we are simply going to look for the next target. Next target come around this second key level here, that is right there. Bam. Let me go on the 4 here, should be better. So we've got, you know, the first key level, that was the first resistance really with plan above. Sorry. Second key level, that is a point of control of this right there, of this full consolidation here. Alright, hold on a minute, my cat now won't go out. Gotta leave the door open, gotta be easier like this. Alright, apology about this. So here, yeah, I was saying, so second key level here is a point of control of this full consolidation. Can you hear me normally? Yes, yes. So point of control here, so to speak, 39,000 up to this swing for pounds right here. You have 3 swing for pounds here to be aware of. We can take all of these right here, for example, if you do a really quick move up, like, I don't know, like this one, for example, if you do a really quick move up, we can, for example, take 3 tops like this at the same time, just with 1 week, do a massive week, come back down directly here. In that case, be a bit careful, but of course you will get everything on the order flow. Normally on the 10-second chart, this is very quick. So to speak, if you have this template, you can download it on the website for absolutely free. You should get this on the top right here. You can see 10-second right there. Okay. Bam. So yeah, if there is no swing for pan in the top of this second key level, we're simply going to look, so to speak, so from 39,000 up to 40,000, 41,000, by the way, around there. If we break this, we look for this top right there next. Okay, this top right here, so 43,000 up to 43,500. If we start breaking this weekly negative path of control at 43,500, we can look for this monthly up to this right here, path of control, so 45,500 up to 47,300. Break this, look for the top to be taken here, so to speak, at 48 to 200 up to this monthly negative path of control at 48,700. Okay. Very good with the upside. Now to the downside, to the downside here we have nothing, as you can see below this pullback I was talking about earlier, so to speak, around there. Okay, if we break the pullback low here, we are simply going to go to 30,600. And again, the best supports come around if we start really breaking all of this, these 4 levels here, this first 4 level. I mean, the thing is, again, these levels here are some old resistance that we can flip into support. Okay, that's why I'm keeping these levels. But be aware that these are not the strongest anymore because we already went through this resistance. So yes, we can get some reaction on them. That's why I'm keeping these levels. But these 2 levels here are the first strongest one, really. After all of this, these 2 ones here are the strongest ones, the first strongest one. So the real first big massive support come around 28,000. 900 down to 28,400 really. Okay, important to understand that. So then we remove that. Perfect. What is this? Swing for pan, I guess. No, yeah, okay. So yeah, we're good with the level. I think nothing more really to add on this. And let's go on the wave now. So the wave, nothing changed so much, to be honest with you. Okay, gonna keep what we've playing the last update. I don't know if I have this here. So to speak, bigger impulsive or ending. Okay, so bigger wave wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with a smaller wave of Elliott in that case. Okay, in the wave 5, and otherwise wave 1, 2, and bam, big push up 3, 4, 5. But I don't want to be too bullish, so it's very complex right now, to be fair, with a smaller wave, because the thing is, this is possibly 5 ways, this is possibly 5 ways. So we have a possible flat, for example, a possible regular flat, but the premise is the bottom is not here on the other side. That's why I don't like it. And so just make, for example, 1 more new high. That's why I'm playing with a level also to look just for a swing for the pound, for example, stuff like that, because right now with the waves, I don't like this so much. We have this possible, for example, so ABC flying to the wave 4, ABC, because this right here is also possibly 5 waves. So correction, 5 waves, ABC flat. What was the time of this? Yeah, it's okay to be fair like this. Well, yeah, gonna leave it like this, okay? What we've planned really in the last update, gonna make it simple, bigger ending, okay, or impulsive. And if we have to take the high and retrace directly like this, then what I'm going to look for is simply a flat, okay, so to speak. It will be here normally, yes. Gonna move this a bit more on the right. 380, good. So to speak, if we take the high, so I'm gonna remove this 90% right here. We can look so for a possible ABC flat here. Okay. Yeah. Like that. So to speak, go between the 105 and the 120, 127. If we start getting something really bearish in here, then we look for this A, B, C flat, bigger pan, bigger correction really in the wave 4. Now if there is nothing good in here, for example, we start breaking here this 120, 127, and we start getting some kind of close above, then it's not valid anymore, and we just look for the, sorry, not for a reversal, for the wave 5 turrets really. Okay, so the 1618 and the 2618. Okay, this is simple as that really. Yeah, so these are the two ideas really. Bigger correction or wave 5, so impulsive or ending. That's what I'm looking at right now, mainly, to be honest. Gonna place a bit more on the right here. And so when we have done the wave 5 right here, it can be a possible good short, okay? Because with that wave 4, we can keep the, the market structure intact, so to speak, keep doing some low, high, low, high, low, extra, or really go and take all the stop loss and then make the wave 5. And I'm also aware of that it's possible to be in some really weird stuff where we're in the wave 2 here. That's why maybe not get this last wave 4 and 5. That's why this white wave 5 here for me will be a short today in any case, to really not miss any big move to the downside. Hope that makes sense. I don't want to give too much possibilities, but as a trader, this is how I'm trading the market really. And so yeah, this is, I'm giving everything you need to know. So I know what I want, so all the important stuff really I know to trade the market good. But anyway, so yeah, that's it really. I mean, for today, to be fair, nothing more on this. ABC flat or impulsive ending in the wave 5. ABC flat, of course, is in the wave 4, and otherwise with the levels, we are good really. Nothing more to add on this. I'm not gonna how can I say that? Yeah, make it more difficult. Yeah, so don't know if you have some questions. If you don't, we're good really for today. My cat keep coming and going in, out of the room. Anyway, I got everything here. Good. All right, I don't see any questions, so we're good, I think. So yeah, I wish you all a brilliant day. Take care. Hope you had a nice weekend, and catch you all, I think, today on some other update. And if there is a trade on the Discord server, if there is nothing, and I'm not going to post anything, as always, not going to say something, there is nothing to say. Anyway, have a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.